So since from the 4 or 6 months, I was doing the practice of cycling. So actually, why I am doing this? So we are the young persons. We have to show our talent, what we are, and like me, many persons are there to show the talent to do something, and because of some support, they are not coming forward. So as today, my family is there to support me, and many are there without supporting or whatever they want to do something. So this is my record, and before I have did a wonder book of record in slow jogging category, Hyderabad to Tirupati, 650 kilometers. So this is my second record from Hyderabad to New Delhi, and how I am doing means 1 hour. In 1 hour, I have to do 18 or 20 kilometers. It's my target, daily target, and per daily 200 kilometers. So this is my target daily, and within 7 days I have reached my destination, Delhi, India Gate. So yesterday, 23rd night at 8 p.m. I have reached to India Gate, and I have completed my record. Thanks for supporting my friends and family members and everyone. Those are encouraging me in everywhere. 17th afternoon 12:30 p.m. From Alwal Ganesh Temple. So I have started my journey from there, and in 7 days I have reached to Delhi.
It's a long journey, around 50 kilometers. So do you have faced any hurdle, and what's the experience in between your traveling?
Yeah, when I am traveling, many members are coming behind me, and of course I am scared. So I'm alone, and after crossing the Nagpur, my family members they came and they are encouraging me. And many members in the highway or water, maybe the response were very nice. They giving their fruits for me, and they giving the water bottles. And every town which I have reached there, so they are encouraging me with the selfies and like that.
One more thing, this is become some Indian book record also. Which record you have registered for this?
So I have given application for the Asia Book of Record and Indian Book of Record. So within 7 days I have to do this record. So I have given everything in the application.
What's your next journey? You have decided something more?
So if the support is there from the government, so next I want to do Guinness World Record. So in the one person is there already have done 19,000 kilometers in 8 months or 9 months. So the next target is mine. My next target is that. So if the government is supporting me, or if anyone is supporting me, I'm ready to do that one within 1 or 2 years of practicing.